Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the activities for the Newton's laws of motion. So, the first Newton's law of motion states that if the body is in state of rest, it tends to remain in the state of rest, and if the body is in state of motion, it tends to remain in the state of the motion. So, what is this activity? In this activity, what we are going to do is that we just give a push to the uh, to that plate which was there on the table. So what has happened? Once again we'll see. We have given a push to that tea coaster which was there. So what has happened? The coin has fallen down into the glass. So what does it indicate? That the coins wants to be in the remain in the state of rest. Now this is one more activity. They have taken a stack of coins and they are sliding the down coin with the help of the one more coin. So the coin at the bottom is replaced and the remaining stack of the coin they are at the place. So what does it indicates? That the body tends to remain in the state of rest. So why did not the coin moved away and why did the stack of coins did not fall? So it states that the law of inertia, that the coin wants to be remain in the state of rest. And now this is the second activity, that take a balloon and put a hexagon nut into that and just move that coin. What it will show? That the coin is moving though we did not give any jerk. So after sometimes it comes to rest just because of the friction. So what is inertia? Inertia is the natural tendency of a body to remain in the state of rest or of uniform motion. So coin resists to change its states of rest quickly. Then the natural tendency of a body to remain in state of rest. And the next one is that the hexagon nut, it try to remain in the state of motion. So you can perform all these activities and see, and because of the friction and because of the force of gravity, that hexagon nets comes to in state of rest. So you can perform all these activities, children, and you can upload it. So an object continues to be in state of rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless and until compelled to change that state by an external unbalanced force. So this is called as law of inertia.